Welcome to Business GPT, your secure, business-focused AI assistant, built for productivity, designed with compliance and local business needs in mind. Let's get started. In your search bar, type your company's unique workspace address and press enter. From the landing screen, log in securely using your company-issued credentials. Once inside, use the prompt bar at the bottom of the screen to type your questions or commands. Need a structured, multi-line input? Click the pencil icon to access the line break feature for cleaner prompts. Upload PDFs, spreadsheets, and more. Business GPT reads and interprets documents, providing responses based on your uploaded content, quickly and securely. It understands and responds in all South African languages, including slang, colloquialisms, and spelling variations, making it accessible and easy to use for your entire team. After receiving a response, you can rate it with a thumbs up or down. Save helpful answers with the heart icon. Report issues using the flag icon. Share and copy text instantly with the clipboard. Your feedback helps refine future interactions. Keep the conversation flowing by asking follow-up questions in the same thread. To start a new topic, click New Chat. You can also manage conversations by deleting individual chats via the Actions button. Or clearing your entire chat history with a single click. Business GPT is built to work the way you do, with full POPIA compliance, multilingual support, smart follow-up capabilities, and seamless document analysis. For complex or sensitive topics, it may recommend a human review for final validation, ensuring accuracy where it matters most. Ready to enhance your productivity? Start exploring Business GPT today.